Good morning guys. So tuloy tayo sa ating lesson 1, Arts and Crafts of Luzon, Attires, Fabrics and Tapestries, Crafts and Accessories, and Body Ornamentation. Learning competencies. The learner identifies characteristics of arts and crafts in specific areas in Luzon. Example, Papier-Mâché Taka from Paiti, Ifugao, wood sculpture, Bohol, Cordillera, jewelry and pottery, tattoo and Ilocos weaving and pottery, Bornay, etc. Watch new. Activity 1, Kami Hamiha. So welcome to the world of cartoon and anime. Directions. The following are cartoons characters appeared on television. Identify each cartoon character, whether it is Japanese anime or American cartoons. Write your answer in your activity notebook. So, ayan yung mga cartoon character. Okay. Based on visual appearance, which picture is closer to reality? American cartoons or Japanese anime? Why? Number 2, which of them offers greater detail of face structure, body dressing, etc.? Can you cite some differences in their style? Number 3, which uses a wide range of color, variants, and shapes? Explain briefly. Now, you know the differences between Japanese anime and American cartoons. You can easily distinguish if the cartoon character, whether it is American or Japanese anime, by simply analyzing its character, style, techniques, materials used, or medium and subjects. In connection with our topic, we also need to identify the characteristics of arts and crafts of Luzon, Highlands, and Lowlands to recognize their artistic and unique qualities, the real talent of the artist, and the importance of their masterpiece in the community. Relative to this, here are illustrations of textiles in Luzon that show different designs. Activity 1.2, can you identify the similarities and differences of the textiles? Figure A and Figure B. Directions. Try to list down all the similarities and differences. You can notice them from the two pieces of textiles and write your answer on your notebook. Similarities and differences. next part of this module will give you an explanation and description of the arts and crafts of highlands and lowlands of Luzon. You need to read and study the characteristics of these arts and crafts in order for you to appreciate this artistic value and culture. As you continue the journey, you will be needing this knowledge in order for you to create your own art and crafts. What is it? Let's weave your knowledge. After comparing the two different textiles, you will be able to know the different attires of specific areas, the materials, functions, and use, and even meaning of the designs and patterns. Textile attire, fabrics, and tapestries. Annabelle. Annabelle is a hand-woven fabric made by Ilocanos, which is more popular known as Abel Iloco. It comes from the root word abel, which means to weave. The word Annabelle of Ilocos literally means woven. It is created by skilled artisans using traditional wooden looms. It comes with different patterns inspired by nature. One of the most recognizable patterns of Annabelle is Binacol, also known as Binabel, Binakael, or Binacol. Binacol meaning 12 can be easily recognized by its interlocked geometric patterns which represent the waves of the sea that protects people from malevolent spirits. Kain. Kain is the basic dress for women of Cordillera region. It is a type of wrap around skirts, tapis in Tagalog, characterized by horizontal strips, borders, by decorated panels along the joints, and edges uses bright colors, especially fair red, and embroidered with beads and shells. Some kain uses other colors like red, yellow, white, black, and green, which signify the color of thing in natures. Kadangyan. Kadangyan is a burial cloth for the rich people of mountain province. It is a Cordillera term which literally means rich. In earlier days, only the grandmothers were allowed to weave burial clothes, kadangyan, but now any able weaver is allowed to weave burial clothes for the dead. Buntoks fabric. The hand-woven fabric of buntok are characterized by different geometric shapes and different shapes of things from nature. Scene of C1 is the buntoks blanket and clothing, winds and loafids and Ginas Palawanes. Wens and Lufid. Wens and Lupids are costumes of Igorot from the mountain province. Wens is a long strip and hand-woven loincloth, bahag for men, and Lupid in a wrap-around skirts, tabis for women. These clothes mirror the personality and every Igorot and reflect their culture and traditions. Examples: religious practice and rituals. Ginas Palawanis is a belt worn by a married woman, Ubuntu, and Kankana Y that has inawen designs composed of continuous arranging pattern.
Hindi oh. Kanit. Kini buhos din.